Hello my friend, welcome to YouTube channel. I'm Henry. Today I will tell you how to remix a short video from beginner to advanced functions. Let's get started. Recently I started making remix videos. I have found that this is the easiest way to grow a small channel very fast. Let's have a look at my new test channel. This channel is my secondary channel, specially focused on publishing MTV, etc. However, things it started on March 26, 2025, when I published the first video, till late end of October 2025, I only got 8 subscribers. One of them is actually myself, just to check the channel live. Then I started remix videos, which start on October 29, 2025. It was my first remix video on that channel. It went viral because I chose a real hot trend, song Golden from K-pop Demon Hunters anime movie, released on July 4th, 2025. Now it already get about 700 million views on YouTube. I got more than 230,000 views in 2 weeks and about 308 new subscribers, and the total subscribers now over 400. I think it will get 1,000 subscribers within 1 or 2 months. If you check my main channel, the first similar remix videos also went viral. Now it already has 36,000 views and more than 1,000 likes. And this is not the best one. My recent video, published on November 2nd, 2025, already has 367,000 views and more than 5,000 likes. I hope it will reach 1 million soon. From this video alone, I got 740 new subscribers within 10 days. I'm telling you these numbers using a brand new channel as an example to show that you can also copy my strategies to grow a small channel very fast. Now, I will stop talking about the numbers and tell you how to remix a short video. If you use a desktop computer, when you watch a short video, you can often see the remix button. Below is the original video it relates to. When you click the remix button, it will show a QR code that you can scan with your smartphone. It will automatically go to the home page related to the original video. If you use smartphone to watch short video, you will also see the remix icon inside the place. After clicking the icon, you can see use this sound. Then you will enter the same screen as desktop. The other icons on smartphone are other functions for treat the short videos. Now on main screen, you can select the duration time with a maximum of 60 seconds. If you can't see up to 60 seconds, it may be because the original video author does not allow creating that long. Click the icon above, you can select the starting point of the song. Other icons on this screen are also interesting. For example, this star-like icon will change your selfie video to another form using built-in AI. This icon will flip the smartphone camera, and this timer will start a countdown to help you start recording your videos yourself. This is the main timer where you can change the duration using the original song. And this small star-like icon is similar to the above, but mainly focused on human faces. The arrow icon will expand the toolbar, where you can select a lot of add-on functions. All of these have specific functions. I will share my experience with you later. Now, after we select the main parameters, for example, 60 seconds duration, you can click this add icon, which will link to your smartphone photo album. Once you click it, it will ask you permission to access your photos on your smartphone. After the first time you allow it, they will not show the message again. You can select photos or videos in your photo album. Now, here is the next step: how to prepare your short video and transfer it to your smartphone. Selecting the right short video is also very important, but this video is not for that. Now we focus on how to transfer the video. From my experience, the easiest way to transfer video from your desktop computer is using Google Drive or Dropbox. They can be used both on desktop and smartphone. Open your Drive Dropbox on your computer. Select a folder use Upload to add the new video. Then on your smartphone, you can see this video in the same folder. Select Save the video. It will save to your smartphone photo album. When you select the video, you will adjust the starting point to align your video with the original soundtrack. This is one of the hardest parts for me now, since you need to adjust very finely within about 0.05 seconds using your smartphone and finger. If you find it hard to adjust and choose to remove the original sound, then sometimes you will face copyright issues, since you use the original music but are not physically linked to the original because you removed it. Sometimes it is okay, since YouTube will automatically link it for you. I have faced these issues several times. That is why when all the work is done, when you upload the short video, it is better to select private or unlisted first. YouTube will check the copyright problem for you first. If you see something wrong, you can remove the video before publishing. If you publish and get a copyright strike, and 2 strikes hit your channel can be banned from YouTube in the worst case, until you take correct actions to resolve the strikes. I hope you have learned the most basic remix process and can grow your channel fast and healthy. If you find my content helps you even a little, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.